Welcome to the video presentation for the library system. This video provides an overview of the library system, its features, and how to use it effectively. The library system is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline and automate library management processes. It assists librarians and library staff in efficiently managing the library's resources, such as books, periodicals, and multimedia materials, as well as providing services to the library patrons. The purpose of our library system is to empower libraries with advanced technology and efficient management tools to enhance the accessibility, organization, and delivery of information and resources. By providing a comprehensive platform for managing and disseminating knowledge, our library systems aims to foster a dynamic and engaging library environment that meets the diverse needs of users. Through seamless integration of digital and physical resources, personalized user experience, and robust administrative capabilities, our library system strives to facilitate lifelong learning, promote literacy, and cultivate a vibrant community of knowledge seekers. So, let's go ahead to check for the software requirements. For the front end, we used advanced Java, and for the back end, we used MySQL. We used NetBeans for Java and MySQL for the back end. For the hardware requirements, let's say you need 2 gigabyte, at least 2 gigabyte of RAM, and 1.2 gigahertz processor, and an Intel Core i5. Let's move on to the key features. First is sign in and register. If you're new to the library system, you can create an account. Just type in your name, username, your password, and an email, and then you can submit it here. And if you do have an account already, you can just sign in here. So since I already created an account, I will just sign in here. Welcome to the home page of our library system. So the first thing that you can see here is the profile picture. It allows the users to personalize their accounts by just editing it and just submitting a picture into it. The second that you can see is the menu. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options in our menu, and we will tackle that later on. And then the next thing that you can see is these 3 colors above. The pink one, which is the available book, the students for the blue one, and for the green one is the book issued. It allows the users to track the numbers of books, the numbers of students, and borrowed books. And the next thing that we put in here is the calendar. It allows the users to track the date. And the personal notes, it allows the users to create notes and save them in the database. It serves as a notepad. We can just say hello and then just save it here. And you can see notes successfully updated. Let's go to the second option, which is the book management. The book management allows the users to manage books. The first thing that you can see here is the search field. Here, it allows users to search books using the book ID, the title, or the author. And then you can just type it here. If you just put the book ID, just put the book ID here. And then the next thing that you can see is the data table. It provides the details of the books. Here, we have an add button. It allows the users to add books. And then a refresh button. It allows users to refresh the data table. And here, on the table, you can see an action button. The first one is edit book. You can edit book. And then the second one, it allows users to delete a book. It will ask you if you are sure to delete this book. And there's an option to just click yes or no. So for now, let's click no. And then view book. You can see the details of the book when you just click the view button. So let's go ahead to the third option, which is the student management. Here, it allows the user to manage the student's details. Same drill. You can see a search field here. You can search the student by using their student ID, name, course, section, or email. Let's say I will search for a student using its name. So I just search Aero, Rabago, and then lumabas na siya dito. Pwede mo siyang i-refresh ulit. So let's say, search natin is student ID. At ayun na, lumalabas na dito yung information nung sinearch mo na student. Same drill, makakita din tayo dito ng add button and then refresh button. Meron ding data table and action buttons where you can just edit, delete, or view. Let's go ahead sa fourth option in our menu, which is the issue book. Here, it allows the users to issue a book for a student. It allows users to see the information of the students you will issue a book to. Dito sa student info. And then for the book info, it allows users to see the information of the book being issued. So let's say, mag-i-issue tayo ng book ngayon. Sa student ID, lagay lang natin is 22 00319. And pagkalagay mo pa lang nun, lalabas na dito yung information ng student, which is si Adrian Alejandro from BSCS 8/2022 at ang kanyang email. And for the book info, let's say book ID is 2. Lalabas din dito yung book information. Introduction to algorithms. Kunyari, ang title, ang book ID niya is 2. Lalabas yung author and number of copies na available sa library. Let's go ahead sa fifth option, which is return book. Sa return book, it allows users to manage returned books. Same drill, meron ulit tayo ditong search field. It allows users to search for borrowed records using student numbers. And meron ulit data table, which displays records of pending borrowed books. For the transaction details, it displays the details of transactions. And then remarks and return button. It allows users to leave a remark before marking it as returned. If magre-return ng book si student, pwede natin gawin to. Sabihin natin, eto. Ito. Check lang natin dito. Pwede natin siyang i-search dito, pero pwede din naman na, kung nakita na natin dito sa data table, we can just click it. Pwede tayo mag-leave dito ng notes, like status na overdue, or not yet returned, or pwede namang stolen or lost bago mo siya i-mark as returned. So, we will go ahead sa sixth option, which is borrow records. It displays the records of the borrowed transactions. Same drill, we still have a search field here. It allows users to search records of borrowed books and filters by date. Data table, it displays the details of records of borrowed books. So let's go ahead sa settings. Here's the profile settings. It allows users to update their profile picture and edit their profile, which includes name, username, password, or even email address. And also, you can change your profile picture. And then the last option is log out. If you click this log out, a question will pop out. It it is asking if you are sure if you want to log out, and there's an option to click yes or no. So let's just say no. And yeah, here is our library system. For the database diagram, here is our database diagram. This shows the relationship of tables in our database. And that's it for now. Hope you like our video. And yeah, see you again soon. And before we end, this is the list of our group members. Thank you all for watching, and bye for now.